guys! So when I first start my makeup, I like to start with a freshly washed face, and I use Cetaphil as my moisturizer. And to moisturize my lips, I like to use this Jack Black Duo. Next, I will be going into my brows with this Ruby Kisses eyebrow pencil from the hair store. And I just like to brush both of my brows before I apply the pencil. And I like to start at the tail of my eyebrow because my eyebrows thin out towards the back, but towards the front they're really thick. And I just draw one thin line under my eyebrow that I brush up into my eyebrow to create that gradient effect. And I brush the product through my eyebrow before moving on to the next eyebrow. And then I just repeat the same steps for the next eyebrow and move on to concealer. I use LA Girl Pro Conceal to conceal my eyebrow.
Smash, I think.
I look crazy, but to blend my concealer, I use my Versace brush from Ipsy and my Mario spray. To define my eyebrows and make sure they don't move, I use my e.l.f. defining gel. Next, I'm going to go in with the same LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer and put it all over my eyelid. Then I'll be taking my LA Girl Pro powder and placing it over top of the LA Girl concealer with my brush I got from Ipsy. Then I'll be taking this new shade from the LA Colors palette and placing it under my brow bone. Then I'll be taking the shade You're Kidding from the new James Charles palette, and I'll be placing that shade in my crease. Next, I'll be taking the shade Benny and placing that in my outer V. And I'm also going to blend that same shade Benny up into my crease. And then once I'm done blending, I'm going to go back into the shade You're Kidding and just make the front a little bit more red. Next, I'm going to be taking my Morphe brush M421 and cutting my crease with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Next, I'm going to set my eyelid with my LA Girl Pro powder and my Morphe 124 brush. Next, I'll be taking this glitter primer by NYX and placing it over the concealer with my Soho brush from Ipsy. It's a little blurry, but next I'll be going in with this glitter from NYX and placing it all over the concealer. Next, I'll just show you a close-up of how everything looks. Then I'll be going in with my NYX matte liquid liner and giving myself a wing. Then I'll be applying my Elegant Eyes eyelashes by Nye called Magnifique with my Duo Glue. Next, we're going to move into foundation, and I'm going to prime my face with the Fenty Beauty primer. And I'm going to blend all that primer in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Then I'm going to move into foundation by Fenty Beauty with the shade 390. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender as well. Next, I'm going to contour my face with my Hourglass contour stick in the shade Chestnut. Then I'm going to conceal and highlight my face with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and my NARS concealer. Then I'm going to blend my concealer in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Moving on, I'll be using my Ulta Mineral Powder in the shade Dark 03 to bake my face. Going back in with my Hourglass contour stick to warm up my face a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques brush to blend my contour. Once I'm done blending my contour, I go in with my Luxie 514 brush to brush off all the excess setting powder. Then I just went back in with my Real Techniques contour brush just to warm my face up a little bit more. Then I just lined my lash line with Maybelline's eyeliner in the shade 860 Jet Black. Then I put my mascara on by It Cosmetics. Then I put some blush on by Steve Laurent in the shade I'm Blushing. Next is my favorite part in makeup. I'm going to use this brush I got from Ulta to apply my highlight from Anastasia Beverly, Fenty Beauty, and Smashbox. I don't know why, but I first like to apply my highlight in 3 little dots and then blend it all in together. I'm so blind, y'all. I was looking into the camera to see if it was focused on me, but I wound up looking on me, so I try to hurry up and smile. But now I'm just blending in my highlight with this brush I got from Ipsy.
5'5", she might ride or die.
And as I stated before, highlight is my favorite part of the makeup process, so I tend to go a little overboard. Next, I'm going to take my liner brush I got from Ulta and highlight my brow bone. Then I'm going to blend everything in with this blending brush I got from Ipsy. Lastly, I'll be applying my Buxom lip gloss in the color Dominique. And this is the finished eye look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video.